You know what's funny? My first job was a sales job and I hated a sales job, so I literally ran out of it. But you know what? In retrospect, I think we're all a salesperson at the end of the day. You know, we're trying to sell people our ideas, we're trying to persuade others with our decisions. So, whether it is a proposal where a boy proposes a girl, he's trying to sell his idea, or you're trying to convince your parents to buy you an expensive phone, whether it's a job interview, whether it's a college interview, everywhere we're trying to persuade people. And remember, for someone to buy your idea or not to buy it, all we have is 2 minutes. You will have to convince them with your sharp words and your persuasion skills. So here's your pro tip. Teach your children the most important persuasion trick. It might be the oldest, but it still is the most valuable. Teach them to put the other person first. It's very important. What is in it for the other person? How is it going to benefit the other party? This is very important for our children to learn, because this, my friend, is the most powerful persuasion trick. So in our seminar, we're going to teach the children the art of weaving in a story and also bring in a lot of role plays for us to teach them the art of persuasion.
And go.
The workshop is starting from 30th April to 10th May. Register now.